Okay dear, let's continue our yesterday's discussion. Why not? So tell me teachings of our Prophet Muhammad SAW. Okay, listen. Our Prophet Muhammad said, narrated Usama bin Zayd, Allah's apostle said, plague was a means of torture sent on a group of Israelis or on some people before you. So if you hear of its spread in a land, don't approach it, and if a plague should appear in a land where you are present, then don't leave that land in order to run away from it. That is plague. Cool. Tell me, what about those who will die because of this disease? Then the Prophet said, 5 are martyrs, one who dies of plague, one who dies of an abdominal disease, one who dies of drowning, one who is buried alive and dies, and one who is killed in Allah's cause. Thanks. Dear, we are Kashmiris, why don't we talk in Kashmiri? I think from tomorrow we should start our videos in Kashmiri language. Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.